What's up, guys? Melvin from HairTransplantNetwork.com. As most of you know, I'm 1.5 months out from having my fourth and hopefully my final hair transplant. Today, I'm going to give you guys my stack for speeding up hair transplant growth. I'm going to tell you guys what I take and why, so let's get into it. Number 1, MSM and MAP. MSM is essentially a sulfur-rich organic compound. It has antioxidant properties and it's also an anti-inflammatory, which can definitely help after getting thousands of hair follicles put into your scalp. No doubt there will be some inflammation. MSM is thought to convert hair follicles from the telogen dormant phase into the anagen growing phase. Magnesium adsorbate phosphate, MAP, is a form of vitamin C that stimulates collagen production and is an antioxidant. There was a 2009 study which studied the combination of MAP and MSM and its effects on hair growth. The study was done on mice. They removed the mice's hair and then applied saline solution, 5% minoxidil, and different concentrations of MAP and MSM for 20 days to track hair growth. At the end of the study, they concluded that MAP 7.5% and MSM 10% was comparable or better than 5% minoxidil in terms of accelerating hair growth and density. I'm also including biotin. While the studies behind biotin are weak, it doesn't hurt to add it to the stack. Now, I've always been and remain highly skeptical that laser therapy can do anything for genetic hair loss. However, there have been a few guys in our hair restoration community, namely Kirkland and Armin, who both have used laser therapy since their first month and both have exhibited early hair growth. Now, this is anecdotal at best, but I do think there's something to say about laser therapy and inducing anagen hair growth. The pro to using laser therapy is that it doesn't come with any negative side effects. The con is that the devices are pretty expensive. There you guys go. Those are the new supplements I've introduced into my regimen. The MSM is oral and the MAP is topical. I'm still using minoxidil daily, and I've been told by Dr. Sethi to stay away from microneedling. I'll let you guys know if I decide to get a laser helmet. I'm still undecided. Well, I hope you guys found this video informative. If you did, I'd appreciate it if you guys would go ahead and like the video. If you like the content I create, please support the channel by subscribing. If you want to learn more about hair transplants and hair loss solutions, visit our Hair Restoration Network community. Link will be in the description.